Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star, top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away a very satisfied customer. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.